This is a random video that just like, it's, what's the word? This is boring for me. No. But the people over there love it because every time I make it, they're like, oh my God, how do you make popcorn? I'm like, are you serious? I'm so sorry, but that's exactly how I respond to my friends. I'm going to teach you how to make popcorn.
Okay.
Angkat.
Well, this is GMO free for a start, which is awesome, and it's, I don't know, like it's so much better. It's like it's just a better corn, isn't it? You've had it before. You've had the yellow corn and you've had the white corn. There's a huge difference, isn't it? Yeah. And I prefer, stuff that's grown in good soils and it has really great effect on the planet as well as in our bodies. So the first thing you do is grab a pot. Onto the stove and high heat. It's just so funny. Like I have popcorn for dinner some nights. It's just a random thing. Now, where's my jar of popcorn? Here we go. Fill this up. You can see the colour of it. Actually, there's some in the bottom there, but you can see the colour of this. Okay, I'm going to make two types today. I'm going to do because you want caramel. It's just beautiful corn, and there's a huge difference. You can taste it, can't you? The way you feel after you eat it, it's amazing. So buy it online, that's what we do, don't we? Yeah. We just order it and get it sent. Super hot, you want olive oil. How much olive oil? We'll have a look in the pan, and this will show you how much olive oil to use. Okay, so it's kind of a really good splash, right? Hot heat. Then you're going to add salt. And then I'm going to add, because there's quite a few of us in here today, 1/3 cup of corn. Lid on. Allow it to do its thing. My corn sits on the shelf. And basically, you're moving it all the time, yeah? Full high heat.
it.